Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you 20,000 mAh power bank unboxing. Here you can see that in previous video, I show you 5000 mAh power bank unboxing. Now in today's video, I am going to show you 20,000 mAh power bank unboxing. Now let's open it. Friend, next video I will made a power bank using this casing. Here you can see that. So don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next video notification. Now let's open it. And here you can see that power bank casing. There is 8 cell power bank casing. Now let's insert the cell and I will check. There is charging port. Friend, next video I will make this power bank using lithium ion battery cell. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.